A big part of it for me is when they invite me in on their journey and they trust and they share their stories. That's huge because everybody has a story. My name is CHERYL and I'm an addictions counselor. My background's in social work, and with the social work background, there's so many different career avenues. I always saw myself working in a school, which I've done. I worked as a social worker with Children's Services for a while, and then I took maternity leave and I decided to stay home for a while. And then I just recently came back this last year with Alberta Health Services. In between then I did some contracts with the school board, doing some counseling with them. So going into addictions was a bit of a surprise, but it's been a wonderful choice. I have a great team. Yeah, I love it. I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's a very rewarding career. It involves meeting people who have substance use issues, their families, their friends, and I kind of look at it like going on a journey with them. To you or me, what might be the tiniest success, to them it's huge. So for them, it could be something as simple as, CHERYL, guess what? I've been 1 week clean. And that's huge for someone who's had addiction issues for years, and knowing that I can make a difference in their lives. We also support family members and friends of those that have substance use issues. We can work with parents, families, children. We have families with parents that have addiction issues and they can bring in their little ones, and we can support them. It's not just about supporting the client or the person with the substance use, it's about also supporting the family as well. I think a couple of the major changes that I've seen is, number one, is a lot of more of the prevention work that we're doing. So you'll see more commercials on TV about drug and alcohol use, not drinking and driving. I think that's absolutely fabulous. Prevention work in schools, more of that going on in the communities. With the scientific research, we have more info on how addiction affects the brain. And we can share more information with our clients, and it just provides us with other techniques. How I benefit from being part of the HSAA is that they're there to support us. You always know that you have somebody there to listen if you have any concerns or questions. There's definitely some great benefits for training. For me, that's a real benefit because the more I can learn, the better I can help my clients and my community.